got this tint and lift kit. I'm a little scared to try these. They always look so intimidating with all these like chemicals. Wow, they've got so many tools though. How many treatments can you do? Gosh, they got 1, 2, wow, that's pretty awesome. 3, 4, 5. It looks like you could do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5. You can do 5 treatments, which will last you pretty much, depending on how often you do it, probably lasts me all year. Affordable. They give 3 gloves though. Should have just given 5 gloves, but hey, beggars can't be choosy. I know, this reminds me of very like, is it Mary Kay or something, like back in the day? Women would just come together and throw these Tupperware parties. I feel like modern day, we'd all just come together and throw a lash and eyebrow tint party. I don't know, am I doing the eyebrows? Am I doing the eyebrow lamination? My eyebrows are stamped on right now. They're also permanent tattooed. Also, I have a lot of strays that I was going to trim, but I think for purposes like this, I could so want to do this because I so know that it's going to be so cool if it's done correctly. I'm going to do my eyebrow as well as the eyelashes. Why not? I love how this is cool. See, this is something that the other kit did not contain, which this is something that you would put over your brows. So smart. After you laminate them or you put that perm on there, you need to like cover it. Cool tool. That cuts down time. I'm acting like I'm a pro. I've done this once before. So I have to pick my son up from school and I gotta run some errands, gotta get these fills. I'll be right back. What's up guys, it's my next day off, so I am going to do this eyelash and eyebrow laminate tint. You know what's up. Sorry, I look like crap. I have no skincare on because I want to be as dry as possible. I know whenever doing, I just literally spilt rubbing alcohol all over my legs and my feet. It's all good. I just want to get rid of all the oils so that the perm really holds. All right, let's get into this. I got the energy. This does take patience. Try to blur out the boring parts. I've never laminated my eyebrows, so here's like a little check. I'm letting you guys know now. I don't know if I have to trim my eyebrow hairs. They're super like long. They're really long. I don't know if you can see. Step 1, clean and use cleanser to clean the dust, oil, and makeup. Done. Oh, there's actually a cleanser here. I'm going to brush my eyebrows. Brushing my eyebrows. Brushing my eyebrows. Okay. Step 2, apply skin barrier. Apply skin barrier to protect skin around the brow area. Okay, so that's how it looks. It's like this creamy gel. Come a little bit closer, baby. Put it on, 'cause tonight is the night when two become one. Other side. Step 3, here's the glue. You glue it. I haven't really had like a full-on self-care day in so long. I guess it means that I'm just busy right now. Didn't really have time to relax, so I'm really glad that I'm doing this because this is forcing me to. All right, guys, we are back. This is the eyebrow. I mean, this is the glue on the eyebrow. Can y'all see? Okay. Number 3, so far I'm gonna say the instructions are really easy, which is very helpful. So it's user-friendly considering there's so many steps. Number 4, so this is the perm solution. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up. Nice and sealed. I'm gonna grab this perm solution here. Wow, look at that difference. Like just by having my eyebrow hairs lifted, This whole side of my face looks lifted. Like, it looks higher. I clearly need a trim. Check these eyebrows out, bro. I can kind of feel the stinging sensation, but I just don't know how you would not be able to get it on your skin. So this is a like saran wrap that you put above on your brows. So far, this saran wrap thing is the hardest. Clearly, I need to cut my eyebrows. It's ridiculous. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this on. It said 5 to 10 minutes. I will probably have it on for another 7 minutes or so I will be right back. It's been about 5 minutes. I'm just too anxious. I need to get this off. So let's take a look. Now I have to apply this fixation. All right, and I need to pick my son up in 30 minutes. Step 4, use the cleanser to clean off this perm. Generous amount on. My eyebrows are a little too fine for this, if that makes any sense. So there's a little petri dish, and I'm gonna mix this with number 6 and 7, so the black dye with more tint fixation. So this is the color. Brown color, brownish, it's a brown red color, which is actually really close to my natural eyebrows. Then I'm gonna put it on my eye. Applying it. I'm hoping I can take it off if it goes out of the lines. Supposedly that's pretty much the eyebrows while it's tinting. I'll come back to the brows. I just want to start the eyelashes. Okay, so I have the cleanser again. We're gonna clean dust, oil, and makeup. I like how this is like a clean cleanser, but it's not like burning my eyes. My eyelashes are so thin. Number 8, skin barrier. Put on the bottom of my eyes. Here we go, I'm gonna use this to put on the bottom of my eyes. The set of curling pads that I need to glue on. So let's go with blue. So here's the 2 cushion pads. Oh, it's a lot of glue. You guys, this is where it's gonna go either really good or really bad. I'll be honest with you. It looks like I'm gonna be the one who's going to have to hold this. My eyelids, it will not stick. And then I have to basically, if you know what I mean. So you see, it's flipping up. I do realize that there are different, I chose the biggest one, so I chose the wrong side. There are smaller ones to fit my eyelid. That's why these things are actually reusable. Let me do that. Let's see what will happen. Okay guys, with patience we are getting it. It's just really hard to blink my eyes, so I have to keep it open. But it is working. We're gonna do perm. Okay, perm is on. Okay, so that's the fixation. I'm gonna keep this like this for now. This is what we're looking at. I gotta pick my son up from school. I didn't know it was gonna take so long. I'm gonna take this off because this will be a little ridiculous. I gotta tape it up to my face. Okay, so anyways, okay, I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna wear sunglasses and we're gonna go incognito. I'm gonna pick my son up like this. Car, about to pick my son up. What I do for you. What? Did I not bring my sunglasses? The show must go on. By the time I get to his school, I'm gonna just take this off and I'm gonna just show you guys. And this is what we're looking at. So it's actually really crazy comparison. Okay. Which one do you like? Which eye do you like better, guys? Definitely this one. It's very like eye-opening. We need to finish this. I gotta tint it because I'm gonna show you guys, like, it's subtle, but it makes such a huge difference. Okay, I'm back, guys. This is the best I can do for now. Basically color whatever is remaining. Okay, so that's what we're doing. That's what it's looking like for now. Leave on for about 10-15 minutes. It's fairly easy to use. It's just the ability to actually get these babies like taped on so you have a tight curl. That's the only issue that I really have. Other than that, it's really easy to use. The instructions are very helpful, straightforward, and clear, so it makes it really easy for a first-time user to try this. I would say for your first time to definitely at least plan for minimum an hour and a half, especially if you're going to be doing brows and laminating your eyebrows, tinting them, as well as like the full-on, you know, lash perm and tint as well. So let's just say 2 hours. If I took my time and had more patience, then I feel like I would be able to have gotten a more better result. There's this last step, and it's called nutrition. It's step number 3. I'm just gonna like dip it in here. It's gonna help rejuvenate the lashes because it did go through quite a bit of stress. I can only assume with all these chemicals and things like that on it. I'll show you guys like in the bright light. I still have a little bit of goo on here that I do and will remove. Let me see if I can just remove that. Oh my gosh, the battery is gonna die. Okay, let's hurry the fudge up. Okay.
You know, you guys gonna walk and we're eating tonight?
We actually are.
Where?
We're gonna go to the all-you-can-eat meat place.
Good idea.
You guys can come.
Where's that?
It's you don't know where Keamoku is?
Oh, that's in the rock?
Yeah.
Oh, where?
And I was actually, it's my day off today on accident. Okay. All right, guys. So I'm ready for the close-up.
Can we come?
Of course you can. We love for you guys to. Okay, guys. So sorry. Finalizing dinner plans tonight. Sik Dorak, which is a Korean, our little hideaway Korean all-you-can-eat barbecue, our fave. But anyway, so this is the eyebrow tint. Works like a charm. This is the eyelashes. Also, it's, you know, it did lift. Hey, son. They lifted, so that's great. And I did put tint on them, so, you know, I don't have much to work with. But yeah, I'm definitely going to recommend because the price point is so good, the ease of use, the tools that it comes with, except for just the minor difficulties when putting that silicone base on to keep the lashes up. You have to be patient, but that's just a me thing. I don't know if some of you probably are more meticulous than myself. I am not at all. So I'm gonna end the video here. So let me know what you guys think. I just realized it's really difficult to see the curls, so I'm gonna put mascara on, so hopefully that will be better now that you saw the tint. I don't know, it's a little bit messy. Gosh, I got goo everywhere, but yeah, so that's with mascara, definitely. We'll see, hopefully that's better, but I mean, this actually is honestly eating, like considering that tint, that eyebrow tint though, sis, like, whoa there. That eyebrow tint is off the charts. Especially if you don't normally wear makeup and like, let's say you're at your boyfriend's house and you end up, you want to be able to like wake up next to somebody and look somewhat decent. This would be perfect because it's super incognito and natural. Anyway, okay, for real this time I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys later. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much, new subscribers. If you're new, definitely subscribe, hit the notification bell because I love to just experiment with different makeup, beauty, and anything lifestyle. Bye!